In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a picture the background in Google Docs. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is open up your document. It can be any document within your Google Docs, and then click on the exact page area where you want the background layout. Look at the top system toolbar, and then you're going to see insert, and then you're going to see image as one of the options. So we're just going to upload from computer. I'm just going to go over to my desktop and I'm just going to use this image right here. And now once the image drops into your document, it will default to inline formatting. So click directly on the image to highlight it and reveal the float overlay inline formatting utility toolbar right underneath it, which is this right here. Click the icon button layout explicitly labeled behind text, and it looks like a block of text lines running cleanly over a background square graphic. So this is it, exactly this, behind text. And then all you want to do is click the drop down utility selection box directly next to it and switch the parameter from move with text to fixed position on page, just like so. Now click and drag the blue bounding corner sizing anchor nodes outward until the image covers your entire white page layout margin. With the image still selected, look back at your top, like your primary options toolbar, and click on image options to slide open a dedicated configuration sidebar panel. So the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to enlarge this as much as I want, just so that it fits the whole page. And then once it does, I can obviously move it wherever I want. So now it's exactly how I want it. So now what I want to go ahead and do is look back at the primary options toolbar block and click on image options. So I'm just going to go over and click on this little thing right here, and I'm going to see a few different things. But what I want to go ahead and click on is open a expand adjustments drop down, setting a branch layout, which is going to be this right here. Now, once you're here, once you expand it, slide the opacity configuration to 40 or 50%. That way you're still going to be able to see text that's like, in front of it and everything, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.